Yo ninjas and Kaio, today I'm gonna react to Bboy Masahisa Airflare. I hope that I pronounced your name correctly. Before to start, I wanna remind you that if you want me to follow your power move progress, check out my Patreon link in the description. And also, if you're interested, check out my merch, also link in the description. So let's see the video. Okay, so he's practicing airflares in the high way. Well, let me see slowly. Oh, right now he threw lower. Okay, looks like, wait, let me rewind. It looks like he's practicing airflares in two different ways. So, the first way, the high way, actually looks pretty good. Try to connect maybe one round to windmills or one round to swipes or to another move, even to flares if you can. Even if you land a little bit weird, then try to put your other arm and go to a windmill. So you will keep the momentum. Then gradually it will get better. Let me see the low way instead. Okay, in the low way, as you can see, now his right leg, he's kinda going back. He's kinda going down. Instead, the right leg should be towards you, like kind of like a pike freeze or kind of like a hand hop. Don't kick it backwards, don't kick it down. And also the other leg, as you can see, the legs are very close now. Try to kick it also. When you kick the other leg, kick it towards your face. Your legs should be open and towards your face. One this side and the other this side. Kind of like a flare. During the flare, you don't keep your legs like this, but you kick them towards your face. The same for the air flare. Okay, now as you can see, he's kicking down and backwards this leg. Instead, this leg should be closer to his chest. The other leg at the beginning looks good, but then it falls down. Instead, you should kick towards you. The arms are pretty good. Yeah, the throwing, the arm is very good actually. So keep throwing also like that. Yeah, looks good actually. I recommend you to keep practicing both ways like you are doing, but when you focus on the elbow tracks here, when you focus on the lower air flare, try to kick your legs more towards your chest or your face and try to use more your pike freezes, especially your pike freeze on your left arm before to jump elbow track. So elbow track is the same technique as the air flare, it's just on the elbows. And it looks good, just keep practicing. When you do the high technique, I can see that you kind of bounce a little bit your legs up. Try to use this same kick also for the low way to do the air flare. So try to bounce the legs like you do for the high form, also on the low form, but bounce stronger. A very good exercise that you can do is also starting directly from your left arm. So go on your left hand up, left pike freeze, and jump directly towards the right arm. You can do it vertical or you can do it lower. You can try both ways. And in this way, you really have to kick up. So these are the tips that I can give you. As I said before, if you need help for your power moves and if you want me to follow your power move progress, check out my Patreon link in the description and check out my merch, also link in the description. See you next week with a new episode. Yo ninjas!